What's up, guys? It's your boy Roman Puss, aka Roman in Bounty Rush. Today I just want to go over the defense class and basically run over a little guide if you're wanting to pick it up, or if you're moving into it, or if you're not sure if you're doing things right. I just want to go over a few of those things to make sure you're on the right track and just kind of provide an overall structure for those trying to learn this class, because there's a lot of big do's and a lot of big don'ts that are kind of universally accepted, at least within the S plus tier that I have found. I am still currently top 100, still trying to grind and keep that going. We're making it. Obviously I have Big Mom, so that's kind of helping a lot. She's one of the strongest defensive classes right now. I'm going to start off by just kind of showing you what I have so far and what I've been playing with to climb. I have been mainly using Big Mom. Level 100, she's extremely good. I have tried out the attack, and I've tried out the defense. I think I personally do like the defense more. It depends on how you're trying to play the role. That's the key, because I have found different ways to play the defensive role, and currently everyone likes to go attack, like no matter what, pretty much on every character, and I think I kind of found a way that this works as well. You just have to understand that you're not going to be doing the most damage in this case. So you can still one-shot people, don't get me wrong, but you just won't be killing people as much necessarily with your basic attacks and whatnot. So this is what I have right now. I have my 3 medals. I got the full 70% defense. I have the Moria tag, gives me the 1% HP on ally death. The buggy medal for this is mainly why I'm running this, is this buggy medal allows me to get 3% cooldown on ally death right here. When the ally's death, they get 3% on skill 2, which is my Prometheus, which is really nice. And then the boa I just kind of have for the full warlords combo. If you see, I get the triple tag between these 3, so this is mainly why I have that. I have a little HP as well, because she has that 90% up HP, and she basically takes 80% less damage, so that trait's really good. She's who I've mainly been running. I do have a party with her and Moria. My supports structure is not catered to the defense class yet. I haven't really focused on that. I'm just starting to maneuver that around so I can get that better, but I definitely do want the defensive class. Right now I have just the Paramecia. Gives me this ability. I get the full, all these stats right here, so kind of not that great. Like the crits on defense, it's not that useful, especially for what I'm running. It's just currently what I have. The defenders buff is what I really want to stack. If you can stack it, I strongly recommend it, and if you know you want to play defenders, go for it, because what I'm going to tell you right now, this right here, this 10% increase will be extremely helpful for capping out the treasures, which I strongly recommend. Getting that and the New World buff as well. The New World gives you bonus damage towards your weak color, so those two are some ones I would strongly suggest focusing on if you can. Obviously you don't have a pick with the gacha system. With that, I'm going to run the Big Mom and Moria. My Moria, I forgot to tell you, actually no, I'm not going to run my Moria. He does have a little bit of attack, a little bit of defense. No, just kidding. We can run this. We'll run this guy. He's got a little bit alright, but I'm going to try and focus on Big Mom because she's my stronger character, in my opinion, and she's kind of just higher stat. Let's get started here. I am on 5-game win streak currently, so that's kind of nice. So we do have a Crocodile, another defender. We have Perona, we have a Kainu, so we got a couple attackers, and we're against nothing crazy for runners. Nami could maybe be annoying, but we'll see. There's different things that you can do. I strongly suggest trying to grab the first treasure. That is your first goal. It's great on defenders, and I think you should always do that. If I have another defender like I do in this system and I am ahead of him, we'll see what side I spawn on. Okay, so I will be ahead. So I don't have the other defender. I might consider going for that first treasure. No, since I'm on the left side, I'll possibly let it go. We'll see. This is where I'll go and look for the ally. Look, I'm helping, team. Alright, I'm going to hold my dash. Are they going for that? Akainu's going for it. We're good. Alright, so unfortunately, normally I do go and stack that, but since I am off on that side... Oh, Kizaru's here. Alright, he already used his dash. We're good. Kizaru's just kind of annoying. He just tries to be a pest with that travel. In the circumstances, there are outliers to that grabbing the first treasure. If you have a Kizaru or a Law, sometimes you can let them just grab the first treasure because they can just travel across the map. So keep that in mind when you are doing that. Your main goal as a defender, cap out your treasures, and then try and help your team when you can. I got Perona somehow messing up this Mihawk. I'm just gonna kill him because I want to. I did not need to waste up Prometheus like that, but I'm a greedy player. The good thing about Big Mom, see it like that, normally that ability one-shots a lot of people. Wait, he didn't get zapped there? Okay, he has a dash. I'm gonna grab that. Okay, just kidding. Got a bunch of other people. Where'd that Luffy go? Sometimes the hard part with Big Mom is the fact that you can't see around her for who you're hitting. So that's the only downside to her. It's not the worst, but it's kind of a pest. Alright, so I got someone going for this A treasure. That's fine. I'm gonna go because I want to grab Big Mom, so I'm holding for that. That's fine. Is this ally gonna help me? Who is it? Perona? Alright. I don't like to waste time on that because that's how you kind of lose all your treasures. I can get this guy. Later, be Sneech. I'm gonna try and watch my language. We're not gonna swear here. This kid can't kill me. Yeah. I'll just pummel him. The nice part about being so tanky is you can sit there and you can soak a treasure for very long. Like, people get... Oh, wait. I'm actually taking fat damage. He's got that fat crit. Okay. We're trolling. I don't think he'd actually hurt that bad. Wow. I try to usually, if I'm under 40 seconds, I will not hold for Big Mom. I'll automatically spawn because you don't have the time that late in the game. I kind of trolled that because this kid. Can I grab this last treasure? Normally I'd go help them, but I don't think we're gonna get that. Alright, perfect. Killed him. I'll grab a treasure. Is my team actually going to be able to grab a treasure? Probably not. So I think we're going to lose this one, but it's not the end of the world. I definitely am not going to be able to grab that other treasure. Oh, it's a feast, though. Oh, get him, team. No, there's no way. 3, 2. Oh, Herferoni. Alright, so we lost. I probably still got highest score here. I don't think anyone... Well, maybe Krauko. Okay, no, we actually all did pretty well. That's not bad. So, as unfortunate, we lost that one. That's alright. I probably should not have died to the Sabo there, but it's alright. It happens. What do we have here? Alright, they have no Dolphy, but they have G4. G4 is kind of one of the ones that can really dump on Big Mom. Hopefully that doesn't happen so much here. I probably should have gone on the other team because I'm support for Big Mom is a little bit higher with not the Moria, but yeah. Let's see. They got Krauko. Krauko's probably gonna sit back. Alright, we don't have another defender, so I'm probably gonna sit back and charge the treasure. What do we have? Krauko's probably gonna do the same thing. Let's see. Brook's gonna sit here, waste his time. Alright, go ahead. Don't help me charge it. Keep going. Go do the runner thing. See, this is how you know they're a bad runner, is because they do that. It doesn't matter if they're on that same side. Like, they can sit here, they can waste time. It's those times where you get 5-0'd is because treasure right there is not, like, fully capped, and people have not charged it. So, I'm going to start working on this. Get him low. See if any of my team will come help me. He's low. Okay. Dude, everyone gets one shot except for me. Holy. Okay. There's my team getting one shot. Alright. And random Luffy getting thrown into me. This ability. That ability is very broken. You can't attack to stop it. You can't, like... I mean, you can attack to stop it, but you literally have to be there right in that time. As you can see on the right-hand side, they don't know how to dodge the fish. Is this kid just sitting here? Wow, that range is so tiny. Holy. I think this kid's AFK. We'll take advantage of that. Alright. Alright. Thanks, dude. I hate when the camera turns. Luffy's kind of annoying because you can't outrun him. He can auto attack and just be faster than you. In games like this, I'm gonna run for here so they can. Oh wait, never mind. We actually killed them. And now we got the treasure. Now we got 50 seconds left to hold. That's all we have to do is hold. Make sure you watch them. Alright, that's a free one shot. Later, kid. Alright, I'm gonna follow this kid. Make sure he doesn't take this. Alright, got the fish coming. And we're going to be losing that. Maybe. Okay, that's fine.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It's nice when someone hits you with a weak move instead of a... Alright. I think we got this. We got the left treasure too, so we're fine. Just survive. That's all we gotta do. 2, 1. BAM! And that's how we do it. You sit there, try and cap treasures out, and do your best. Hope that you have runners. Hope that you have someone winning. And you do your best to defend. You can play it more so attacker style and hope that you can just go and kill people. I will actually try and do a game of that as well. So, alright, now I want to show you guys a full attack Big Mom. She has the full 70% attack on her. I switched my medals around. I have a Dolphy medal, a Hancock medal, and a Moria medal. So the Hancock and Moria medals are the same, and then the Dolphy medal is one of the event medals, not the regular golden one. It's one of the pink ones. Have full 70%, and then I have like 160 defense as well. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit different style of the attacker defender. Just the one thing to remember and keep in mind with defenders is most defenders, if not all, I'm not positive, but most defenders have the buffs on their own treasure. So Big Mom, for example, has 30% bonus damage on her own treasure. Obviously, I know that's reversed for attackers. Attackers generally do more damage on enemy treasures. So keep that in mind when you are fighting. If you can fight on top of your treasure, that is generally recommended as compared to on someone else's when you are trying to be on the offense. We have a Robin, a Zoro, and then I don't remember what else I saw. So, oh, and a Smoker. So we'll see which side people are on. There's a little look at my Dolphin medal if you didn't see it. So Dolphy's gonna automatically get the first treasure. No one can beat him unless maybe you have another Dolphy. Sometimes if it's a good Zoro, he can go and hit the Dolphy, but I still don't think you're able to get him. I'm closer to the treasure, so I'm going to go and take this first one and cap it out. So they have Usopp. Okay, not too bad of a team. The only thing that's annoying is Dolphy, so we'll see. See if we can ref it out. I have 2 runners, but one's playing the Robin. Usually those players who play the Robins are generally not the best. I don't know if it's the character themselves or what they're doing, but they generally... Zux's... No, we already almost killed them all. Holy. Impressive. Perfect. Wait, is she... I swear I just saw her speeding. Is she hacking? Okay. Can I stop this kid? Yeah. We're good. I'll stop this guy from taking my treasure. Okay. No, the fish might be coming soon. Ah, yikes. That's unfortunate, because that was terrible timing. I knew the fish was coming soon. Okay, he's almost dead. I can kill him. He might just run away, though. Perfect. Now that fish should be coming soon. Oh, he's coming. Alright, let's roll out. Grab this back. Here's my treasure to defend, so I'm just going to take it back, and that's what I'm fighting for. Normally, I don't spend that much time on those, but I'm going to make sure. I should actually go and grab this. Alright, there's going to be a fish coming soon. Team's actually doing fairly well. So no problem. I should be able to one-shot this Usopp here. That's unfortunate timing, too. Alrighty. We're going to stay with Big Mom. We actually have 0 treasures. Alright, we're good. We got one. We're back. I'm going to see if I can grab this. Alright, let's see if we can one-shot him. We didn't. Unlock. Get it? Yes, let's go. Alright, we have some very annoying with those. Holy, almost walked on him again. Careful, lad. Alright, I'm gonna sit here and hold this, see if I can get it charged up, if possible. The only thing that sucks with this build that I have running is I don't have anything for skill 2 cooldown besides the initial triple threat. See, that's what sucks too. Alright. We got to run. Okay. Does he get that? Okay. We won. We have good runners. I'm almost firmly convinced that Robin might have been a hacker. Maybe that was. I don't know. She kind of seemed like she was porting around, but I'm not. I don't know if I honor that. I don't know. It's debatable. You guys saw it. You guys look at this. You guys reevaluate this game. I swear I might have seen her port places, but I don't know. So we won. I guess I won. I can't honor that. I can't support that. I could have honored someone else, but yeah. Alright, so that was a look at offensive Big Mom. Not that great, because you get one-shot by a lot of stuff. Like, I wouldn't have been one-shot by that Dolphy, like, strings and whatnot. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Give me a like, too. Or if you didn't like it, then hit the fat thumbs down. I don't care. It's up to you. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys' time. You guys are the best. I'll be sure to get those runners and attackers videos up soon, too. I'm going to make sure I practice those. I've been using Kata a little bit, and I started off doing runners. So I just got to do a little more attacker practice, and then some runners, and then we'll be good, and I will get those up for you guys. Thank you so much. I'm peacing out. See ya.